Kedre Michael here, and we are looking at volatility 75. So this is how I make my entry. I go to higher time frame, I zoom out completely, I try to monitor the direction of the market. You can see here the market is buying. MACD, we can see that here there is a convergence, so we are looking for buys. So 24-hour time frame, what are we seeing? The market is selling, but this is a demand zone. There is another block there, you see this. So when market went up, pushed high, it came down to here, and then it was rejected, it went up. It came down again, it was rejected, it went up. It came down again, rejected, and it came down. You can see from here, I already marked it. We go to 4-hour, you can see what's happening here. You can see. So the next thing market is doing, you see, is reacting to the upside. So this is a good entry opportunity from here to buy to the upside, and it's going to be a long buy. So if you are with me, let's go down to 1 hour. Let's go to 1 hour. You see, two candles here, 1 hour, 2 hours is buying. So those that want to buy can use this retracement opportunity to enter here, but always make sure you take your entry from a lower time frame so that your stop loss is going to be minimal. You see, it's already going up. So if you took your entry from here at that I marked, I'm already in the market because I marked the order, and I was waiting where the market was saying last night. I was waiting for it to come down to this other block. I already marked here, waiting for market to react. I also marked this block. You can see this down candle on this one. So this block is an other block. I'm waiting for market to react. So I entered the market. And let's go to 15 minutes, right? Let me show you where I entered the market. So on the 15 minutes time frame, this is my entry time frame. I use this time frame a lot to make my entries. So I waited for the candle to come down. Then looking at this place, you can see this from here. This is what caused the market to go down. Seriously, look at what happened here. It went down, and this is the low, the lowest point the market went to. As you can see, this is the low. That is it. So when the market now came here, it reacted to the upside, came down. Then this one now broke this level. There is a break of structure here, you can see, at this level. So this break of structure caused, we call it a market structure shift. So when I noticed this, I said, okay, this is a good order block. The market now retraced for opportunity for a buy entry. Those that understand market structure shift know that the next retracement is opportunity for you to make your entry. They entered here and the market went up, and boom, the market came back to the order block. This is the OB here, this block here that I marked with light green, this one. So let me remove this so that you can see it very clearly. So this is the OB I marked. So when market came down to the OB, I waited to see this reaction, up candle going up. So immediately I saw this reaction here, this market candle closed here. I put my entry here at this level. This is where I put my entry here. I entered there. So the market now pushed up. So this is a retracement, an opportunity for someone to make an entry. You can mark this level because there was a reaction here to the last high before that caused the lowest low. So once the market broke here, you're going to wait for the market to come into the zone again to make your entry. So we can make entry anywhere from here. So if you have good capital or equity, you can still make your entry here, buy for a buy to the upside. If you understand market structure and price action very well, you should know that this is how these things work. Make your entry to the upside. So what are we seeing here? It's this tool. Looking for a tool. Okay, let's use this. Market push down from here. Low, high, low, and boom. This is how it's going to work. You see that? So follow me for more if you want to get more updates. Thank you. Peace out. Akidre Mike.